Hello students, in this video we are going to learn one of the important short answer question from the chapter complex number. Let us see question. If x minus iota y whole power 1 by 3 equals to a minus iota b, then show that x by a plus y by b equals to 4 of a square minus b square. So let's write the given equation. X minus iota y whole power 1 by 3 is equals to a minus iota b. I would like to remove 1 by 3. So in order to remove 1 by 3, we have to go for cubing on both sides. So applying whole cube on both sides. Whole power 1 by 3 whole cube equals to, here also we get a minus iota b whole cube. Now cube root gets cancelled. So we left with x minus iota y equals to, this is in the form of a minus b whole cube. Okay, a minus b whole cube formula, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab of a minus b. So here a is a only, b is iota b. So applying that formula, a cube minus b cube, b is iota b. So b cube become iota b whole cube minus 3ab into a minus b. A minus, what is b here? A minus iota b. Now simplification. X minus iota y same, a cube same, minus iota cube b cube. Iota cube b cube minus into plus minus 3ab into a. 3a into a, 3a square, okay, into iota b same. Minus into minus plus 3a iota b into iota b. So let us write 3a same, iota b into iota b, iota into iota, iota square, b into b, b square. Now x minus iota y equals to a cube minus, we know the value of iota square, so better to write iota cube as iota square into iota. So we can substitute in next step iota square value minus 1. B cube same, minus 3a square b iota, better to write 3a square b together, iota separate, plus 3ab square, 3ab square. After writing 3ab square, we left with iota square. Na? Iota square value minus 1. Do remember, very useful relationship. Okay, iota square value minus 1. Now x minus iota y equals to a cube. Once again, here iota square value used, iota square value minus 1 into iota b cube same, minus 3a square b into iota plus into minus 3a b square. Okay, now x minus iota y equals to a cube, here minus into minus plus b cube into iota, minus into minus plus b cube iota b cube, both are same, minus 3a square b iota minus 3a b square. Okay, now x minus iota y equals to, now we are able to see real parts, imaginary parts, so mixed form. So we have to separate real and imaginary parts. So a cube real part, this is imaginary part, this is imaginary term, this is real term. So write real terms together. A cube minus 3ab square is the real term. Next, I told you that we get iota common from imaginary part for sure. So after taking plus iota common, we left with b cube minus 3a square b. Okay, if I observe, RHS is in the form of x plus iota y, but LHS is in the form of x minus iota y. So in order to equate real and imaginary parts, so I need to write this also in the form of x plus iota y. Very simple, x same plus you write here, iota also you write here. Now iota coefficient minus y, you write it in bracket. Okay, so if you multiply again, it will become x minus iota y, no problem. But we can see x plus iota y form. So for comparison, it will be easy. Write it same, 3ab square plus iota into b cube minus 3a square b. Now on equating real and imaginary parts on both sides. Imaginary parts on both sides. So on equating real part on both sides, real part on LHS is x equals to real part on RHS is a cube minus 3ab square. So both these are equal. Similarly, imaginary part on LHS minus 5. Imaginary part on LHS minus 5. Don't forget to write minus, okay? Imaginary part on RHS b cube minus 3a square b. Okay? So in next step, you see x equals to, consider this one, a cube minus 3a b square. Na? So x equals to, we can take a common. So a can be taken as common. After taking a common, we left with a square minus here 3b square. Now a, transposing a from RHS to LHS. Between the two terms we have into. Na? So on transposition it become divided. So x by a equals to a square minus 3b square. Okay, keep this aside. Now consider this one, minus y. Minus y is equals to b cube minus 3a square b. So then what about plus y? Because in required proof I have plus y by b. That's why plus y. So just change the symbols. Minus b cube plus y become minus b cube plus 3a square b. Multiplying on both sides by minus. Minus of minus y is equal to plus b cube become minus b cube minus 3a square b become plus 3a square b. Now y is equals to, take b common. Okay, now we can take b common. After taking b common, we left with minus b square plus 3a square. Same, y by b become minus b square plus 3a square. Now, so x by a value, y by b value. So we have both x by a value, y by b value. Now add x by a plus y by b. X by a value a square minus 3b square plus y by b value minus b square plus 3a square. Now x by a plus y by b equals to a square plus 3a square, 4a square minus 3b square minus b square minus 4b square. X by a plus y by b is equals to, on taking 4 common, we are going to get 4 of a square minus b square. You see, x by a plus y by b is equals to 4 of a square minus b square. Have you got the required proof or not? X by a plus y by b is equal to 4 of a square minus b square. Okay, thank you.